What is up everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video we're going to talk about how to make money with Legendary Marketer. So what you do is you spam your links everywhere and you make some money. Goodbye. No, really, there's a bit more to that. If you do want to make money with Legendary Marketer, there's a ton of ways to do this. But first of all, I do want to mention quickly what Legendary Marketer is. So basically, Legendary Marketer is a program where they teach you about how to make money online, how to market things, and how to market the right things at the right price, and how to find the best products to actually make some money. So it's a bit more than a course because you can get some people to actually help you, some advisors to set everything up that you need to have. For example, if you want to have a sales funnel and things like that, there's some people that will help you out and get you to where you want to be basically. So that is what Legendary Marketer is in a nutshell. I've got another video which I will link somewhere in whichever corner that is, but also in the description. And while you're at it, you can give me one of these and also subscribe, hit that notification bell and all of that. Now I don't want to ramble on too long because what you're waiting for is how to actually make some money with Legendary Marketer, and that's what we're going to get into. So as I said, they basically teach you marketing in general, online marketing I should say, because it's more applicable to that, even though there are some tips that you can use elsewhere, but mostly it's online. So there's a ton of ways, and you're probably thinking, like, you see all these people, including myself, that have affiliate links in for Legendary Marketer, and there's a reason for that. So the reason for that is because, one, they pay you quite a good commission. It's just $7 and there's some upsells later on if you want to take them, and you don't have to take them to actually make some money. But that's one thing. The second thing is it's actually a good program because a lot of people have made their first commission using that, and I certainly wasn't that experienced, and I still made some commissions 3 days in. So I'll leave a link to that in the description if you're interested. But that is one thing. They will teach you affiliate marketing because there's a ton of good ways to make some money with affiliate marketing, to find a good product, which that is a good product because they pay you quite a good amount of money. It's a good product, it's a reputable company. They've been around for probably 10 years. Dave Sharp, who's the owner, has actually made 8 figures, more than 8 figures I think, online with marketing. So he knows what he's talking about. Basically, he's not going to sell a program like a ton of gurus do. That doesn't work. So that's one thing. A lot of people are promoting Legendary Marketer. However, they are not trying to push you to sell Legendary Marketer because that would sound like a pyramid scheme, which it's not. The other way, so if you're a beginner, they basically teach you about affiliate marketer because you don't have to focus on any of the products, any of the shipping, any of the inventory, any of the customer support, none of that. And that's one of the great things about affiliate marketing, and I'll make another video about that. But you basically focus 100% on selling. So that's why affiliate marketing is great. However, since they teach you all the basic things that you have, like, you can do anything. There's one person who actually sells coffee. He started off as an affiliate marketer promoting Legendary Marketer and some other companies. That's one thing that you have to be aware about, is they don't push you to become an affiliate for Legendary. They push you to become good at what you want to do, and actually, if you want to sell some other things, you can do that. So back to that person was selling was an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, and I'm sorry if the light keeps changing. There's some clouds and then it's sunny again, so don't worry about that. But on one end, you can sell that, so that's what he was doing. He was having quite a lot of success with that because he actually took the steps to make it work, because you actually have to put in some work. And then he decided that he's really passionate about coffee and selling cards, or I'm not even sure if it was coffee, but anyway, completely different business. And he went into that and he was killing it. And from what I heard, or what he said, is basically he's still, not he's reinvesting everything into that business. So he's keeping that affiliate marketing business running, which is making his money. And then there's this other business that he's doing, which, as soon as he gets inventory, it sells off in less than 12 hours or something. I think like one time it was 2 hours or something. And he keeps having people that want to buy. So as soon as he gets some money, he reinvests it in stocks and just sells them. So that's another thing that you have to understand, is that they actually will provide you the ability to sell anything that you want online. So that's one thing. But don't think that it's a pyramid scheme or anything like that, or a get rich quick or whatever it may be, because you will have to put in the work. You might have to create some content, you might have to create some ads. It depends on the route that you want to do, but they have some great training in there. They'll help you out. There's a Facebook group with a ton of people that will help you out if you have any issues, which I've posted on before when I had issues, and I've also answered some questions from people that had some questions. So that's another great thing, is as soon as you have some issues, you can post about it and get some feedback, and hopefully it will solve your problem, which 99% of the time it does. So it's a closed Facebook group. The other thing is, it's $7. So I mean, it's not that big of a deal to actually start to actually try it, because it's $7. So it's the price of a coffee these days. So that's the other thing. So just basically to recap a bit, affiliate marketing is the best way to get started, and they will teach you that. They'll teach you marketing online. So if you don't want to do affiliate marketing, you want to sell your own courses or things like that, you can do that. They'll basically teach you marketing and the ability to become an affiliate for them, which is great, which is what I do, and a company that I believe in. So there's about 1 million different ways to do it. I believe affiliate marketing is the best way, but if you get into that, they'll teach you in depth what you need to know. The step, like the very basics that you need to know, plus some more, because if you're already experienced, you'll learn some new things as well. So the other things that they won't teach you in that, and that is a great hint, is to smash that subscribe button, because I'll be posting more videos. I know this is only the second video that I post, but I'm posting every Wednesday, so keep that in mind, and give me one of these as well. See you on the next video. Bye for now.